For this example, I'd like to compare two different ways to solve 3 times the quantity x plus 2 equals 18. And hopefully we'll illustrate some of the different techniques you can use for solving equations involving parentheses. The first method, we're going to distribute first. So we're going to use the distributive property, which means that 3 is going to be multiplied by x and also by 2. Multiplying 3 times x is just 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, we get 3x plus 6 equals 18. Next, I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Cancel out the 6's here, and I get 3x is equal to 18 minus 6, which is 12, which indicates that x is going to be 12 divided by 3, which is 4. An alternative way to do it is to start by dividing. It works out well in this case, as we'll see, because 3 is a factor of 18. 3 is being multiplied by some quantity x plus 2, so I can undo the multiplication by 3 by dividing this side of the equation by 3. And of course, I need to balance that by dividing that by 3 as well. So on the left-hand side of the equation, my 3's are going to cancel, leaving me with x plus 2. And on the right-hand side of my equation, I get 18 divided by 3, which is 6. Then all I need to do to solve is subtract 2 from both sides. And again, I get x equals 4. So we ended up with the same result based on either method, which certainly is a good sign. But for completion and just to make sure, let's go ahead and check that. So what we're going to do is replace our x with the value that we think x is, which is 4, and that's going to give us 3 times 4 plus 2, and we want to see if that's equal to 18. So this becomes 3 times 6, which is equal to 18, the basic times table, so yes, our correct solution is x equals 4. So I just wanted to scroll back up to make a final observation. It does look like we got to the answer more quickly on the right-hand side by dividing first, the method of dividing first. And the reason that worked is because 18 is divisible by 3, so it neatly canceled. It gave us a whole number here, and it got rid of the 3 here rather than having to distribute. It's not always going to work out quite as neatly, but it is always an option when you're trying to solve this type of equation. Thank you.